Hello everyone, this is Miss Bada and I will be taking Unit 3 from paper 402, that is Digital Library. And the first topic that I'll be taking is digital formats. Digital formats constitute of both textual and non-textual type. Textual may constitute of text file and non-textual mostly constitute of the binary and image type. So let's move on. Electronic documents consist of a combination of text and images, and in this chapter you will learn about the different types of files that are text file, binary files, and image files. Although we can say that all files are known as binary files, however, digital formats are broadly categorized into two types only, that are the text file and binary files. Let us see the first one, that is a text file. A text file is a kind of a computer file that is structured as a sequence of lines of electronic text, and a text file is stored as data within a computer file system. All right. The way of reading these text files is different in different operating system. You will actually I've written in one material, and I've loaded in Google Classroom as well, so you can learn there, or you can read that material about the characteristic of both text files and binary files. All right. However, we can just see here what are the text file. On modern operating systems such as the Microsoft Windows and Unix-like system, text files do not contain any special end of file character. The EOF stands for end of file character, alright? Because file systems on those operating systems keep track of the file size in bytes. There are for most text files a need to have end of line delimiters, which are done in few different ways depending on operating system. Some operating systems with record-oriented file system may not use line delimiters and will primarily store text files with lines separated as fixed or variable length records. Text file can be referred to as a type of container, while plain text refers to a type of content. Here, this one that you're seeing here is a CSV file, and it is a type of a text file. Alright, CSV file can also be used in a database system, and for example in Koha as well. Alright, we use a CSV file to upload the details of patrons into the system. If I have time, I will show you how this is done. Alright, and also a CSV file can be read in an Excel sheet as well. So I will show you how. Just for the time being, just know that a CSV file is a text file. And also, I believe most of you like to watch K-drama and Chinese drama as well as anime, those Japanese animes and all. And when you watch all those, it's obvious that you won't know all the languages, right? So the language that you will understand is English, and those anime, those K-drama will have subtitles for you to understand what the characters are saying. Alright, those subtitle files such as SRT or VTT, those are also pure text files. Alright, so okay, then we'll move on to the binary file. A binary file is a computer file that is not a text file. The term binary file is often used as a term meaning non-text file. However, I'll repeat this, however, in the material that I have uploaded, you will see that there will be one sentence which is written, all text file are binary file, whereas all binary file are not text file. Alright, this is because every computer files has to be encoded into the binary type, because machine language can only understand binaries, that is zeros and ones. Therefore, all text files are known as binary files, whereas all binary files cannot be text file. Okay. Many binary file formats contain parts that can be interpreted as text. For example, some computer document files such as formatted text, such as Microsoft Word document, contain the text of the document but also contain formatting information in binary form. Alright, just remember that Microsoft Word documents and also those PDF and all, they are the non-text file. Text file contain text usually in SI, and everything else is a binary file. You see, as you can see here, the difference between text file and binary file. Binary files containing formatting information that only certain applications or processors can understand. While humans can read text files, binary files must be run on the appropriate software or processor before humans can read them. For example, only Microsoft Word and certain other word processing programs can interpret the formatting information in a Word document. Executable files, compiled programs, SES and SPSS, system files, spreadsheets, compressed files, and graphic images are all examples of binary files. Right? So these are the file extensions for the we can usually tell if a file is binary or text based on their file extension. This is because the extension reflects the file format, and it is ultimately the file format that dictates whether the file is binary or text. Mostly in a text file, you will see TXT and CSV, alright, SRT, VTT, and all those things. So let us see what are the common extensions of binary files. For images, you will see JPG, PNG, TIFF, GIF, and all those things. And videos, you have MKV, AVI, MP4, etc. Audio, you have WMA, that is Window Media Audio, and MP3, AAC, etc. And documents, you have doc, PDF, XLS, which is the Excel sheet, PPT, that is PowerPoint, doc, and this document, Microsoft Word document. Then archive, you have the zip file. Alright, database, you have MDB. Then executable, such as the application software, you'll have EXE, etc. Then the common extensions that are text file, you have HTML, XML, CSS. Then you have C, source code. Okay, then Java, PY for Python, C for C and C++ and all those things. Then documents, you have TXT. Then again SRT, VTT, like I've mentioned before, or those subtitle files. Then configuration such as INI, CFG, RC, REG, and also you have tabular data such as CSV, that is comma separated value, and TSV, tab separated value. Again, I'll repeat. You will see in details in the materials that I have loaded how binary files are different from text file and vice versa. And please let me know if you have any doubt. And after this I will do character encoding, alright, which will be followed by image files and then image compression techniques and so on. So that is all. Thank you.